Hi, I'm Diane Conklin with CompleteMarketingSystems.com. As you may or may not do, I do a lot of traveling, and so I want to share with you an experience I had a couple of weeks ago in Dallas when I arrived at the airport. I had a shuttle van that was arranged for me by the event promoter I was there to work with, and when I went and got outside, the van was there. I had called, I did all the things I was supposed to do. She said, yeah, the van is there, he's waiting for you. So I walk up and I wait at the back of the van because I think, well, there's no reason to carry my bags up there. He's going to put the bags in the back. He's talking on his cell phone. So I go up to the window and he goes like this, so I hand him the paper. Long story short, he tells me that there's a car coming for me. And I said, well, it's 12:30, which was my pickup time. And I said, you're here, can't you just take me? And he said, no, I can't take you. And so I was a little frustrated, as you can imagine. You know, there's an empty van sitting there and he won't take me. So about 10 minutes later, another gal walked up, and it just so happened that she was going to the same hotel that I was going to. And she experienced the very same thing that I experienced, sort of this hands off, don't bother me, don't talk to me, I'm busy chatting on my cell phone experience. And he came out. Finally, he got out of the van, and I thought, uh-oh, I made him mad. Now he's coming after me. He got out of the van. He comes to the back. He starts to load our things. And I said, what are you doing? I thought there was another car coming for us. And he says, oh, no, I take you. And so it was just really comical because it was frustrating in the first place. If he had just said, yeah, but there's someone else coming, we have to wait a few minutes or whatever, but there was no like interaction sort of thing. I will tell you that on the way back from the hotel to the airport, I had a completely different experience, but it was very interesting in talking to the other attendees about this because all of them who used this service had the same experience. And so my point in telling you this story and talking to you about this today is very simply this. How do you know what's happening in your business if you're not there all the time? Well, hopefully it's systems, it's checking, but you really sometimes have to be your own client to find out. You know, have you ever called your own office? Have you ever placed an order or had a friend place an order to see what the experience was like? Talk to a customer service representative or go through your selling or your buying process to see what that's like, because you can learn a lot. Mystery shopping, if you will, sometimes is a very good business strategy to use in these situations for your business, and to do it periodically, once a quarter, twice a year, whatever works for you. So check it out. Make sure you know what's going on in your business so you're not costing yourself customers, because I can guarantee you one thing, if I ever go back to Dallas, I won't be using that particular shuttle service. So I hope you find that helpful. I'm Diane Conklin with CompleteMarketingSystems.com. If you just go to the website, there's all sorts of stuff there for you. We'd love to share.